it's our very first time in Hyatt, but we've been here when it was Taj. It was our wedding reception here 7 years ago. So lots of memories, but in a different decor actually.
Yeah, it's very modern now. I remember the Taj, it was like really traditional, but like traditional opulence with big traditional sofas, like almost like the Indo British look.
Yeah.
It was very nice, but now it's all changed to the Hyatt Regency. So through there is where we had our wedding reception. That room literally there on the left is where we had it. And then this is the lobby now. So we've just literally come from the Hilton Garden Inn. We're going to see if we can get in a little bit earlier. It looks like we're getting a welcome drink. Hello! So we just had a little welcome drink. You can tell it's an upgrade from the Hilton though, can't you? I wonder what this is. What do you think it is? It's got strawberry in it. Oh, it smells nice. I can't tell what it is. Maya's been taken off to go look at some cakes. New friends everywhere. Oh. You'll be able to introduce her to Ariel though, won't you?
Yes. Okay, I will be Mr. Puzzle to save her.
So I've just come up to our room. We're staying in 409 on the 4th floor. Shall we ring the bell? Ding, ding. Well, hello, Mr. Stephen. How are you? So as you come in, there's a shelf up there for storage. Also a nice area for your suitcase. Great little shoe storage. Well, hello.
Hi.
Who have you got there?
Mr. Puzzle is because she wears a tail. She rescues Ariel.
Wow.
And so, hi everybody, it's because I'm a girl and
Okay.
she is a Mr. Puzzle.
Amazing. Okay, well, let's come on in. So as you come in, we have obviously the bed. I'll turn back round and I'll show everything else as well. So it's a large room. This is just your standard king size bed with a city view. Maya's bed's going to come later, but there's plenty of room for a little single bed there. You have a chaise by the window as well, a lovely desk, massive TV, and the manager was letting us know that you can cast your Netflix, Disney Plus, you can cast anything from your phone onto the TV, which is incredibly useful. So we have a little clock down here, USBs, plug. Again, it looks like we can get the UK plugs in there as normal. Controls for the lights. Let's have a look at the desk. It's a very nice desk with storage on the top as well. Yes?
I want to watch my iPad first.
Okay, well just wait till we're settled. Again, controls, USB and plugs on the other side. We have a city view, haven't we?
I'm so boring.
Big light city view. Just a minute. You can control your curtains. Oh, 1 second. Oh, there we go. There's the city. Very good. If you don't want to be on the video, you need to come over here. If you don't... Right, we'll just pan around here. So, you also get complimentary water. There we go. 4 bottles. You get your teas. 3 choices, some coffee, creamer, sugars, nice mugs, glasses, little kettle there. You have the fridge in here. Let's have a quick look. Oh, it's got like things in for you to buy. That's the minibar menu there. An idea of pricing. Let's have a look at the wardrobe. So the wardrobe's a nice sliding door. So we've got robes, hangers. You have a safe. I've got the black kite. Oh, I don't know if you can see him on the camera actually. Right, so I keep getting distracted as the bell went and I brought the luggage up. Okay, so we have full length mirror here. Hello. And then into the bathroom. It's another sliding door as well. So big shower. So you've got two heads. You have your big waterfall head. You have like the normal one that you can take off as well. It looks like we've got some toiletries in here. Some little individual ones. Let's have a look. Oh, so body wash, shampoo, conditioner in there. Little bottles. Controls on the wall. Nice. Just wait, please. So you've got your toilet, emergency telephone, as always. You never know who you want to call when you're on the toilet. Little shelf, hairdryer. Let's have a look in here. Yep, so you've got dental kits, shaving kit, comb, sanitary bag, shower cap, vanity kit, very useful. Body lotion and a body bar, just soap. Extra glasses for your toothbrushes. It looks like, does this open? No, I think that's locked. Okay, so you've got spare towels under here with a shower mat as well. This one might open, no. Okay, so we just keep our toiletries outside. Magnifying mirror. And then you've got a demist setting and lights as well. And the time, that is the best thing I've ever seen. I love that, that is so cool. I need one of those. And then power socket as well. And that is the room. Absolutely stunning, love it. So I'll show you around the hotel a bit later as well. We'll go for a bit of a tour. But for now, we best unpack and get settled.
Really special for Maya when she visits.
Yes, it is. There's Mama.
So we're just coming to have a look around the hotel. So we're on level PL. So pool, the club, the Great Hall and the fitness centre. So you come out here. This looks like a restaurant as well. You come out. The Ivory Club is here.
I don't think I've brought my sunglasses. Please tell me I've got my sunglasses. Yes, I have.
Just watch what you're doing. You don't trip on the things. Yes.
I'm going to call her Peaches.
Okay, go on. That's fine.
Oh, that breeze is nice.
Yeah, it's a nice breeze. Gym on the left, which we'll go in and have a look. Shall we go in and have a look?
Abby tomorrow, definitely. Work off all this.
You probably need our keys to get in, I'm sure.
Yeah, I'm just looking to see what they've got.
Quite a lot of stuff.
I can
Running,
do
bike,
some walking.
weights, cross trainer,
Yay. Tomorrow.
a lot of things. Maya, be careful next to the water, please. Yeah, there's loads of sunbeds. Look. Maya, come away from the water, please.
Everyone's in the sun.
Yeah. Pool area. It's nice though. Yeah.
I know you're waiting.
In your own time. Oh, we have another one.
There's two at the end in the sun. Do you want to do it now?
So just come down to the pool. Just sitting in the shade for now, but they have all waste bins here. In front of us is the Great Hall. They have a baby pool as well as the big pool. Down at the bottom over there is the toilets with showers. You get your towels from there. The gym just there. So this is mezzanine level. So they have the business centre, spa and prayer room on here. The same artwork is up there.
Right, you guys have to go in.
Right, so that's the spa.
Want to open the door and have a quick look? Is anyone there? I was going to open it for you.
So you go through there to the spa. That's nice. And then the business centre here. So if you need anything, look, you can print and do all things. What else is down here? Or is this all the business centre?
We've just that's admin office.
Oh, that's over. May come this way.
Yeah,
May come this way.
No.
Come here.
Is it something else? Are you having power cuts? Because we keep getting the lights on and off sometimes.
know, today we have some electricity problem.
So down in the. Do you wanna? No, there might be men in there. Let's not do that.
There might be what?
I like to see if they look decent or not.
Really?
Men to the right.
No, that's an excuse, he just wants to use it.
I know. Here's a toilet downstairs. Very nice. Custard cookies, they sound interesting. Coconuts, oatmeal. Have you seen all the different types of cookies?
Sandwiches, it's all cakes.
Not here. They've got a restaurant.
Where?
Down here, they've got 2 restaurants.
So we've got to go
Look at
around
the cakes. Yeah, not here. This is just cakes and drinks.
She went down
Thank
to
you.
things here.
Maya, you had one earlier. You don't need another one. She had one earlier. Yeah. So cheeky. So cheeky. Isn't this the selfie one? Where you do the selfie coffee? Right, come on then, let's look at it. Hey? Honestly, Maya.
Just looks like a big.
Oh, is it just a buffet?
Yeah, like a big buffet. I don't know how much it is, I can't see the menu. But I don't want anything big to eat unless it's just buffet.
Okay, so the Malabar Cafe does. During the day, it's not a club lounge though. Maya, can we? Do you want to ask for them for a menu so we can see? Okay. Goat cheese ravioli, spaghetti, mushroom risotto,
Oh, sandwiches and
and burgers, vegetable panini sandwich.
Oh, that's
Cafe vegetable club sandwich or a chicken club sandwich.
should we eat here then?
And they do like pizzas and things. And the risotto might be quite nice.
what's that?
And the top.
Classic mushroom risotto. What's that? Oh, fettuccine. Oh,
Yeah,
lamb.
1 second.
You're asking me to say, oh.
Yeah, so don't worry, it's all on the vlog that you just asked me. What am I saying?
Yeah, so this is Regency Lounge. For the Regency Lounge owner. So you've got all the sandwiches, appetizers.
Yeah.
Not
Light
really-
bites and
light
salad
bites
things.
salads.
And then this becomes the club lounge on an evening. So this, if you were staying in one of the club rooms, this becomes the club lounge. So for happy hour from 4 till 7.
Yeah.
But ultimately it's not a traditional club lounge, which is what we were trying to figure out when we were watching the
Which is
videos. It explains why nobody's done a video of it.
because you can't.
It's very nice though. And the tables are literally marble. They weigh a ton and they're very cold. And that's out to the check-in desk.
Cooling down. The tables are marble, so they are really cold.
It is cold.
Yeah,
Hi.
cooling down.
Oh, yeah, who are they?
I didn't put any on.
This is
That's why I was rude if we were walking.
Oh.
I didn't put any onto it. And I have
It's a cutlet, so basically it's fried pastry.
Fried pastry.
Yeah, it's a pastry.
Doesn't look like pastry though. Like breadcrumbs.
no, they don't look like pastry.
It's
Looks more like breadcrumbs.
It's breaded, I think. It's breaded. So it's breaded. It's called cutlet. It's beef inside.
Do you want to try Maya? Have a bite.
I haven't tasted it yet, so May is trying now. So
Oh, I don't know.
No? She might think about it and then decide if she does.
Yeah. I don't think she's fully decided yet. Vegetarian, yeah, there. Oh, that looks nice.
That's lovely, thank you.
Ooh, yum. So it's got zucchini and cheese. I'm getting chips. Calm down, calm down. Wanting chips?
Be okay.
Try some more of the patty. What did you think?
No, I didn't like it.
You didn't like it.
No, it was too spicy and hot.
It was too spicy.
Yeah, and then that lovely fry came out me.
So I've gone for the chicken club sandwich. Stop touching. This is what it looks like. I've gone with it without tomato. It comes with fries, mayo, and tomato ketchup. No, don't touch that. That's a bit. I'm not sure you're going to like gherkin. Hello, frying pans. Ketchup in. The ketchup is for me because I can't stand ketchup.
Oh, that's really
So this is falafel. What's the? Is it like a bread?
I said pita bread.
Oh, it's pita bread. Oh, is this a meze?
Yeah, it's like a...
Oh, it's the I was going to say. So
That
that's
looks
the
nice.
Mommy, can I
No, it says falafel, that's it.